Hey guys, how's your weekend? I hope you're having a blast as I am because today in the mail I received my very first tulip hook set. It's the gray one and I'm so in love with it. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited to use it in all my future projects. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys so you can see what it looks like, especially for those who are planning to buy their very first crochet hook set. So keep on watching until the end of this video and find out if these popular crochet hooks are for you and if it's really worth your money. Okay, this is the original packaging it came with. This is from a local courier here in the Philippines. I'm cutting through that outer packaging carefully so I don't cut in anything special inside. Alright, there's a box, okay, that the seller placed in order to protect the hooks. And we have the Etimo hooks. Alright, so you can see this is the original packaging in transparent plastic packaging. Alright, I'm gonna try to open it. And it looks like the seller included some free items. Here are some stickers and stitch markers. Alright, this is the doily, paper doily that I see. Alright, and this is the original label containing the sizes. Okay, and now we're finally opening our hooks. Alright, so there's this yarn around it. It's tied around the scissors. In some other sets, I see that they have the gold one, but in mine, it's the silver. I originally wanted the gold one, but it ran out. Okay, these are the sizes of the hooks. As you can see, there are more smaller hooks. 3.50 to going down, and the only big hooks are 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm. These are the smaller ones, 2.20 until 3.50. Now you can see the beautiful shine of these gold hooks, gold colored hooks. Let's open this pocket, and here I see a ruler and two needles for stitching amigurumi or for weaving in ends of your yarn. Okay, alright, let's see if the handles are the same as the red ones that I already have. Okay, I'm checking the label to see if Japan is in there. It looks like there's Japan at the back, okay, but here in the video you can't see it. It says Tulip Japan there at the back. I'm sorry about the lighting. Okay, the handle feels the same as my red Etimo hook. It's soft and it's a bit sticky, and I can see some scratches. I don't know if that's from the manufacturer. It's also a bit sticky, so maybe I'll do a little cleaning. I can wipe it with some wet wipes or use alcohol and cotton to wipe this Now I see that the smaller hooks have smaller handles, slimmer handles, and this is worrisome for me because I have a strong grip, and looking at these handles, it seems like they're a bit thinner than the bigger sized ones, and it looks like it's gonna bend if I grip it too hard. So I'm a bit worried about that. But I don't know, what do you think, guys? Do you have this same hook? And are you worried about the smaller sizes with that slimmer handle? Okay, these scissors are very sharp, so I have to put that protective covering at the edge. Alright, I'm gonna try to fold it. That's how it's folded. Okay, it's very pretty. I can bring it anywhere when I travel. I love those glittery, it's like a canvas fabric. It's very durable, I think. And I love that they added those silver glittery thing. So it looks very beautiful. I have these two red Etimo hooks that I bought before. These are the ones that I really used for so many years. I have it in 4.5 and 5.5. Right, I'm gonna try to put it here with the others because I only bought them separately. Alright, if I compare these two, the gray one and the red one, you can see that they're identical. And the hooks, the head of the hooks as well as the point are in the exact same size. They're both very beautiful, exquisite. The red color is amazing, and this gold one too. They're both smooth. And I'm just gonna put my red hooks here with the gray ones. Right, and this protective cover of these very sharp scissors. And I'm happy that it fits right in this zippered pocket. A whole set of crochet hooks that you would likely bring when you travel if you're always moving around. These crochet hooks, the Tulip Etimo Gray, is one of the best. And now I'm gonna show you the hooks that I had been using for many years. I have this case. Okay, if you're wondering, this case is something that I made way back in 2016. I tried to sew my own case because I didn't have a case, and these are the very first hooks that I bought. It's a Susan Bates set. It's very cheap, affordable at 500 pesos per set, and you have all the sizes from 3.75, 4 millimeters, 5, 6, and I think 5.5. Okay, this blue one is already fading because I used it very often in all my projects in the past. Okay, and this case is the one that I made for this Susan Bates set. I have these two red tulip hooks that I bought separately. One is in 4 millimeters and the other one is in 5.5. Okay, these hooks have really opened my eyes to the benefits of using ergonomic crochet hooks. It's really a world of difference from the Susan Bates. The Susan Bates caused my fingers and my whole hand and even my wrist to be painful at times. So with the Etimo, it's really a game changer. So if you're really looking for ergonomic hooks, you should try this red or gray Etimo. Okay, by the way, I bought these hooks with my own money. These are not sponsored products. Okay, this is the very basic aluminum hook. It's the most basic hook out there. Alright, this is the pony with this beautiful handle. Okay, it's just that I never use this too much because of this plastic film coating of the hooks, and it usually snags on my yarn. Okay, this one is a generic brand. It has no brand actually, a generic hook, and I found it okay to use but not that good. And I have this Susan Bates with a longer handle, longer ergonomic handle, but I think the point is too far from the handle itself, so I couldn't use it all that much. This one says layuan, right? And I use this for amigurumi, but sometimes the hook bends, so I'm gonna replace that now with the new hooks that I have. Okay, these are the very basic ones that we used to have when we were taught in grade 2. In second grade, our teacher taught us how to crochet, and at that time there were no ergonomic hooks available, so we just bought from the store this kind of aluminum hooks that were very thin, and of course these were very painful to use. Alright, I put my hooks in this cute coffee cup. Alright, and those are the hooks that I use for crocheting. Now that I have this Tulip Etimo Gray, I'm so excited to use it in all my future projects, and I hope that it will last me for a long time, and it will help me make many crochet projects in the future. So for all those planning to buy their hooks, a hook set, this one comes with high recommendations. I paid around 4,000 pesos for this set. So if your birthday is coming up, or you're looking for something to reward yourself with for your hard work, this crochet hook set is worth the money. And you should definitely buy it. It's a great investment that you can use for a long time, and I think you can even hand this down to the future generation, your daughters or your grandchildren, if ever they wanted to crochet in the future. Alright, so that's it. So that's our video for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me in making more videos like this in the future. Bye!